Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Gusgu 3-in-1 wireless charging station. Quick disclosure, this unit was sent to me for review, but as always, I'll be giving you my honest hands-on impressions. Right out of the box, Gusgu keeps it clean and simple. Here's your user's manual. Here's your 30 watts USB-C fast charging adapter and a matching USB-C charging cable. Here's the 3-in-1 charging station itself. Setup is plug and play. The station's compact footprint makes it perfect for a nightstand or desk, and the matte finish gives it a modern look. The magnetic phone dock is strong and precise. My S25 Ultra aligned instantly and started charging without any issues. Underneath it has a non-slip rubber pads that keeps the station firmly in place, so there's no sliding around even on slippery surfaces. In the base, they added a Gusgu logo, and this is where you charge your phone. Here is where you charge your earpods, and this is where you charge your iWatch. This is your touchpad buttons for your lights. At the back, there's one USB-C port for your power. This is so light and it only weighs 232 grams. This is how it looks like underneath the LED light. One of my favorite features is the 3-level LED Nightlight. Just tap the touch button to cycle the light brightness. The lowest setting is perfect for ambient light, while the highest can easily light up a small room. It's a great dual-purpose feature for nighttime use without disturbing others. I tested the wireless charging using the Samsung S25 Ultra and it worked flawlessly. The station supports up to 15 watts wireless output, and with the included QC 3.0 adapter, it delivers fast, stable charging. I didn't have an Apple Watch or AirPods on hand during filming, but this station is designed to support both. It's compatible with iWatch Series 1 through Ultra and AirPods with wireless charging cases. For me, I love that I can use it with my S25 Ultra, and at the same time, I can use it in my bedside table as an ambient light while sleeping. Just to give you the idea how strong the 3 light modes are, I turned off all the lights and put it on top of the dining table and tested all the 3 light levels. So for my first impression, I'm genuinely impressed by the minimalist clean design of this charger. It's sleek enough to instantly upgrade my bedside setup, and it's officially replacing my old wireless charger. That one didn't have a built-in light, so I had one separate lamp cluttering the space. Now with the integrated night light and multi-device support, I can clear those out and enjoy a more streamlined modern vibe. To me, this device is a space saver and a solid aesthetic upgrade in my bedside setup. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.